Want to connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets so that every new lead from your ads is instantly added as a new row in your spreadsheet? I'm Julia, and in this video, I'll show you how to set it up using Pluga. Super easily and quickly. The first thing you need to do is accessing Pluga's website and log in or create a 100% free account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll find the sign up link in the description. The first step I'm going to take is selecting Facebook lead ads as the source app and choose the trigger, New Response to an Ad. Now, continue below and choose Google Sheets as the destination app. Here, we have two options, Insert Row in Spreadsheet and Update or Insert Row in Spreadsheet. In this tutorial, I'll go with Insert Row in Spreadsheet, since I want to add new rows for every new lead. But if you already have a spreadsheet and just want to update specific rows, you can choose the second option. Once that's done, you'll connect your Facebook account by clicking on Automate. And here, just confirm the Select app and trigger. If everything looks all right, click on Continue. But first, something important to know. Make sure you have the highest level of access to the Facebook page where the ad is running. Otherwise, the form data won't be accessible. If you don't know how to check this, click the card above to see the full tutorial we created for this step. Since I already have my Facebook account connected here, I'll go ahead and select it, then click Continue. For Facebook lead ads, you can choose which page that's collecting leads and which form they'll come through, and then Continue. Now here's a really cool feature. You can create filters to make your automation even smarter. For example, you can create a filter based on a specific field in the lead, ad, or campaign, like only capturing leads from a particular campaign you're running. Again, this step is optional, so if you don't want to add any filters, just leave it as is and click Continue. Now, your Facebook lead ads account has been successfully connected. Then click on Continue. And let's move on to the Google Sheets configuration. Just like we did with Facebook, we'll need to connect our Google Sheets account to Pluga. To do that, click Connect New Account and log into your account. But since I already have mine connected, I'll just click Continue. Just a quick note, make sure you're using a blank spreadsheet, and once the automation is set up, avoid deleting any rows. That way, everything runs smoothly, and your lead data gets added without a hitch. With that in mind, I'm going to open my Google Drive, create a new blank spreadsheet, and give it a clear, easy-to-identify name. Also, rename the Sheet tab at the bottom to something relevant, like Leads. This helps keep everything organized and ready for your data. Once that's done, let's go back to Pluga and adjust the Google Sheets settings to fit your integration needs. We'll set the spreadsheet and the sheet. And this is where the magic happens. You can customize your automation to make it even more effective. These fields are already pre-filled for you. Column A with the campaign name, column B with the form name, and column C with the lead submission date and time. But you can also customize it even further and add additional columns. For example, I'm going to add a column for the lead's name, so I'll click on Add Column, then under Column Header, I'll type the name I want to appear in the first row of the spreadsheet, in this case, lead name, and under column value, I'll pull the full name information from Facebook, like this. Then I'll map other fields as well, such as company name, email, and phone number. You can easily rearrange the columns by clicking the arrows in the panel to move them up or down, or feel free to remove them by clicking on the trash can icon if you prefer. Once everything's all set, just click Continue, then Finish Automation. And that's it! Now, every time a new response to an ad happens on Facebook lead ads, a new row is instantly added to a spreadsheet on Google Sheets. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via chat or send us an email at support@pluga.co. See you next!